Hey side hustlers, quick announcement before we tap into this week's video. The long-awaited return to my side hustle ebook is finally over. That's right, our six-figure side hustle ebook is back. And it'll be open for the next couple of weeks. So if you want to get a kickstart on your side hustle journey, then you can grab a copy of our 150-page side hustle ebook. In this side hustle guide, you won't find any side hustles like delivering food or any other side hustles that you can't be scaled so that you can earn passive income from it. You'll learn how you can start and scale multiple different lucrative side hustles so that you are making money while you are sleeping and or spending time with your loved ones. If you want a roadmap to starting and building lucrative side hustles, then click the first link in the description below. Alrighty now, let's get into this week's video. Today, we'll be discussing 4 ways passive income from a side hustle can change your life. If this is your first time here, greetings. We discuss side hustles and Instagram growth strategies. Be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. That way, you can stay up to date with our newest video releases. Do you want to get paid while you sleep? Do you want to be able to earn money while not working? If so, a side hustle that generates passive income can be the perfect answer for you. Now, there are 4 main ways passive income from a side hustle can change your life. The first way is time freedom. For starters, passive income allows you to earn money while not working, which can free up your schedule. Once your schedule is freer, you can do other things such as get more sleep, going on vacations, and spending more time with your family and loved ones. A passive income producing side hustle can also provide you with the opportunity to start and scale another side hustle, which can allow you to increase how many income sources you have, increase your overall income, and even quit your job. Now, the second way passive income from a side hustle can change your life is by lowering your stress levels. It goes without question that money is one of the primary reasons for a lot of stress in today's world. When I was growing up, the lack of money caused quite a bit of stress-related situations and arguments within my family. Let me know in the comments section if you can relate. This was because the lack of money can result in the lack of many items you may need for survival, such as food, medicine, clothing, housing, money to pay your bills, and so on. The lack of these items and lousy communication can result in high stress levels, resulting in blaming and arguing with your significant other and or family members. So having a side hustle that can generate you enough passive income to cover a handful of your recurring bills can for sure help with reducing the amount of stress that comes with being overwhelmed with countless bills. The third way is location freedom. When you get to the point where you have thousands of dollars coming in month after month in the form of passive income, you allow yourself to live and travel whenever and wherever you want. Countless individuals dream of traveling the world, but unfortunately, they don't because of their 9-to-5 job. But when you have a boatload of passive income coming in, you can give yourself the option to free yourself from that 9-to-5 that is restricting you. This can allow you to live anywhere because your money is made passively, literally, and not only made when you are clocked in at your 9-to-5. The fourth way is personal growth. One of the best feelings is seeing your side hustle start small and turn into something big. Not only is this great for your pockets, but your mindset too. It can show you that you don't need an employer to make money and that you have and will continue to build yourself assets that can provide for both you and your family. The fifth way is building something you love. I feel that one of the best side hustles is always a monetized hobby. Why? Because you already are doing it and you enjoy and love it. Starting a side hustle that you love is very important because later down the road, when things get tough, you will burn out and give up if you don't truly love the hustle. But the reason why starting and building a side hustle that you love can change your life is because you are making money from something you love that also is funding your lifestyle. Say you love basketball, you start hosting basketball tournaments and leagues. But not only are you hosting these tournaments and leagues, but you also play in these tournaments and leagues. Now yes, this will require some outsourcing, but once that is taken care of, you are getting paid for doing what you love. Now, in order to start and scale a side hustle that earns you passive income, you must be willing to put in the work. If it were easy, everyone would already have a passive income flowing side hustle, and I wouldn't have to make this video. But countless individuals don't. So at the end of the day, it comes down to how bad you want a more enjoyable, stressless, and financially secure life. Now that's it for this week's video. A few things before you go. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys again next week. Don't forget to grab your copy of our Side Hustle ebook. The link is in the description.